Hi, I'm going to pick the winner for the crochet purse tutorial. I was giving away these two-sided crochet hooks with a doily and a booklet of basic patterns. And I want to say thank you everybody for participating in the giveaway. Also, I'm picking the one winner. I'll send it out as soon as possible. I will place the link for these double-sided hooks if you'd like to take a look at them. And this pattern right here, I used the two-sided hooks if you watched it. So let's see who the winner is. I just need your address. It's Bunny Crochet. Please send me your address to the email I have down below and I will send this out to you as soon as possible. Thank you everybody for subscribing and watching. And my latest video was the device holder cuff. So if you'd like to take a look at that. And I've been making videos weekly, so please come back and check out any videos that I have been making. Thank you everybody for watching and subscribing.